In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Excel. Underlining is a quick way to draw attention to labels, headings, or totals, and it only takes a couple of clicks. I'll walk you through the simplest method and share a few helpful tips so your formatting looks clean and intentional. Start by opening your worksheet and navigating to the area you want to format. Make sure you can clearly see the cell or text you plan to underline. Zoom in if needed so your selection is precise. Now highlight the content you want to underline. If you want the entire cell underlined, click the cell once to select it. If you only want part of the text inside a cell, double-click the cell to enter edit mode, or press F2, then drag your mouse over the specific characters. You can also click into the formula bar at the top and select the exact portion of text there. Taking a moment to highlight only what you need ensures the underline lands exactly where you intend. With your text selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the font group, click the Underline button. It's the one with a U icon. As soon as you click, Excel applies a single underline to your selection. If you want a different style, open the small drop-down next to the underline icon and choose Double Underline for extra emphasis, often useful in summaries or totals. If you prefer shortcuts, you can toggle Underline with Control+U on Windows or Command+U on Mac. Pressing it again removes the underline. You can also clear it by clicking the Underline button a second time. If you don't see the change immediately, confirm that you selected the correct cell or text segment before clicking. A quick formatting tip. Underlines attach to the characters, not the full cell width. If your column is wider than the text, the line won't stretch edge to edge. When you need a full-width line under a cell, consider using a bottom border instead, which spans the entire cell. Also, if your text is a hyperlink, it will already appear underlined by default. Adding another underline isn't necessary and can look heavy. That's all there is to it. Highlight the text you want to emphasize, then click Underline on the Home tab. Use the drop-down for a double underline, and remember the keyboard shortcut for speed. With this, you can quickly make headings, labels, and key figures stand out clearly in your spreadsheets.